Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ayan ang mga apo. Ayun ang pasimuno. Oh, ayun ang pasimuno. Yan, natabunan na kayo ng dahon dyan.
Happy birthday, Lola Pen. We pray for good health. God bless you more. We miss you. We love you. Happy birthday, Lolo Pen Pen. We love you. Hi, Lolo Pen. Happy birthday po. God bless. Ingat po kayo dyan.
Happy birthday, Lola Pen. I miss you. I love you.
Loving. Thank you, Lolo, sa wagas na pagmamahal sa amin lahat. Anak, ako, at mga apo sa tulod. Mahal ka namin.
Oh, outstanding. Ikaw ay outstanding man para sa amin. Teacher, pastor, daddy, and lolo. We love you.
And Lordsman, di lang sa simbahan, pero pati sa ating pamilya. Thank you for sharing your faith na kilala din namin si Jesus.
Wow! Ibahan si Lea.
Oh! Mamaya lang tama! Oh! Ulitin mo! Lakasan mo! Oh! Otang! Otang po lang! Lasig mo na lang!
Leo, hindi ako.
Joke lang.
Naaway ako.
Kaming lahat po ay nagagalak na kayo ay makasama kahit sa maiksing panahon. Kagaya kung paano kayo masiyahin habang kapiling namin, kami ay aalalahanin din kayo palagi ng may saya at salamat. Love you. Kami sa Lolo.
Happy birthday, Buyang. At muli dinagdagan pa ng Panginoon ng isang taon ng iyong buhay. At hangad ko, sana ay maraipang taon ng iyong maging birthday. At salamat sa Panginoon at nandiyan ka laging palagi sa amin na sumusuporta, nagbibigay sa amin ng mga panalangin at mga payo. At salamat din sa Panginoon na malakas ang iyong katawan at ingat ka riyan palagi. Nandito lang din kami para ipanalangin ka.
Baby tayo.
Pastor Pen, kumusta na po kayo? Binabati ko po kayo ng maligaya, masagana at malusog na birthday. Sana po ay maraming taon pa ang idagdag sa inyo ng Panginoon. Patuloy lang po tayong maniwala, magtiwala, at palaging tatawag sa Kanya para Siya ang magbibigay sa atin ng kapayapaan at katahimikan at dagdag na mga taon sa ating buhay. Maraming salamat po at again, happy birthday! Thank you po!
Ay, Pastor Paron, happy birthday! Nawa ay patuloy kayong pagpalain ng Panginoon. More strength, more kalakasan at maraming salamat po sa buhay ninyo na lagi pong gabay din sa amin nung araw at hanggang ngayon.
Hello, Pastor! Pastor Paraon, happy birthday! And God bless you. Pero mo, 91 years old ka na pala. Patuloy kang pagpalain ng Panginoon, bigyan ng kalakasan. Muli, happy birthday, Pastor!
Hi, Pas! Magandang umaga po. Binabati ko po kayo ng happy birthday. Sana po ay magkaroon pa kayo ng maraming birthday na tulad nito. At sana po ay patnubayan kayo ng Panginoon sa lahat ng oras sa inyong buhay. Happy birthday!
Hi, Pastor. Hello po. Happy birthday.
Hi, Lolo. Happy birthday to you, po. We love you and miss you and looking forward to visit you in California, po, with the rest of the family. Ingat, Lolo, and enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
Hi Lolo, happy birthday po. I wish and pray that God He will bless you with many more birthdays to celebrate po. May He give you good health, strength, and happiness for every single day, Lolo. Thank you for being such a strong and loving Lolo po para sa aming lahat. Thank you po lagi sa pag-alala sa amin, sa kapatid ko, sa papa ko. Imbis na kami nagbibigay sa inyo kasi lolo namin kayo, matanda na kayo. Pero kayo pa po ang nagbibigay sa amin. Napaka-bless po namin kayo ang naging lolo namin. Lolo, maraming pong salamat sa inyo. Ingat po lagi kayo dyan. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday po.
Hi Lolo, kamusta po kayo dyan? Happy birthday po sa inyo. Marami pong salamat sa mga tulong na binibigay niyo po sa amin para sa aming pag-aaral ni Bebe. Lolo, wish ko po is bigyan po kayo ni Lord ng masiglang pangangatawan po, Lolo. And syempre po, healthy na kalusugan. We love you, Lolo. Happy birthday po ulit.
Hi Lola, happy birthday so much. 92 years is such a big year to really celebrate because, you know, I've only been in your life for maybe a third of it, if anything. And so it's always so wonderful to get to know you more and to really learn more about you. I actually can't wait to read your biography that you're writing. I'm so honored to be part of it, to be part of your family. Thank you so much for being such a person who really values like being a Christian is, and really teaching us how to love God, how to love others, and how to just be a better person. We love you so much, and we're constantly grateful for all the lessons that you impart on us and all the teachings, and just, you know, you're always there whenever I have questions about the Bible or just questions in general. And you're really someone that we really look up to, Kurt and I, and so we love you so much. And thank you for always having us in your prayers, and we love you too. And we love having you in our prayers, and so we ask that you continuously, you know, stay strong, Lola, you know, to prioritize your health and really take care of yourself. Listen to my mom when she tells you what to do, right? But we love you so much, and we thank you for being in our lives. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay.
Hi Lolo! Happy birthday po! Kamusta po kayo dyan? Mag-ingat po kayo palagi at huwag niyo po pababayaan sa sarili niyo. Take care po at I miss you po, Lolo. Thank you po sa lahat ng blessings na pinapaabot niyo po dito sa Mindoro at see you soon, Lolo. I miss you po. Happy birthday po ulit.
Hi Lolo, happy birthday po. Gusto ko lang po mag-thank you sa inyo sa mga tulong na patuloy niyong ipinagkakaloob sa amin. Maraming salamat po, Lolo, sa buhay ninyo. Maraming salamat kay Lord na patuloy kayo niyang ginagabayan, iniingatan po. Nawa po ay patuloy kayong pagpalain ni Lord at patuloy po kayong bigyan ng mahabang buhay para makasama po namin kayo. We love you, Lolo, and happy birthday po ulit.
Hi Lolo, I just want to wish you a 92nd birthday. Wow, it's been 9+ decades. I'm really grateful that you're able to live with our family after all these years. I was probably in middle school or something when you started living with us. or maybe even elementary, I don't know. But I'm really grateful that you've been with us since a long time now. You know, you've been a really big part of our lives, and I never knew in the beginning that you would stay with us for so long, but knowing that you did, I'm really grateful I wouldn't have changed it. I'm just really grateful that you're always there for wisdom and guidance, and always there to make me smile and laugh whenever we have family outings alone. I'm really grateful that you've been here with us, man, for such a long time now, and I could not ask for a better Lola. It's just been so long now, Lola. I'm really grateful that you're always there to provide me with wisdom and knowledge and guidance whenever I go to school or back in middle school, high school, and now even college, I used to need wisdom. I'm just really grateful that I was able to get all your wise words, Lola. And I'm really grateful that you're still living with us, because I can always look back and realize how much impact you had in my life. I just want to say happy birthday, Lola, and I love you so much.
Hi Lolo! Happy birthday! Parang kahapon lang, no, grade 1 ako na inahatid mo ako sa school at tinuturo mo kung saan yung room ko. And then, ngayon, iba na tinuturo mo sa akin. You teach me life lessons of how to be a better parent and a better daughter. And I thank you sa lahat ng sakripisyo mo, kasi para sa akin parang ikaw yung tumayong tatay sa akin simula nung kinuha niyo ako ni Lola. Parang kayo yung nagpalaki sa akin, so I'm very grateful for that. Though merong mga misunderstandings maybe nung mga nakalipas na taon, but then again, I thank the Lord na ngayon, iba ka na. As in, ibang-iba ka na. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon sa pagkakataon na ipinagkaloob sa atin na 2 years ago, nakauwi ka dito, nakasama ka namin, and salamat sa Panginoon sa maliliit at malalaking bagay na pinagkakaloob niya sa iyo, sa health mo, sa protection, sa pag-iingat, and palagi mong alagaan ang sarili mo. And I pray that the Lord will give you more birthdays. Kaninang umaga, habang nagpe-prepare ako ng breakfast, so naalala ko nung bata ako, lagi kang hilig ka magpatugtog ng gospel worship songs, ganyan. So kanina habang nagpe-prepare ako ng breakfast bago kami mag-church, nagpapatugtog din ako, and naalala ko nung bata ako, lagi niyo akong kasama. Isa sa mga favorite songs ni Lola is yung Great is Thy Faithfulness. And tunay nga na tunay na matapat ang Panginoon sa buhay mo, sa buhay ng mga anak mo, at sa buhay ng mga apo mo, lalong higit sa buhay ng mga apo mo sa tuhod. And generations may come, but then the Lord is faithful and just sa buhay nating lahat. And I hope that you enjoy your day, enjoy your lunch or your dinner with everyone else, and I hope that you enjoy this video that I've compiled to celebrate with you. Kahit malayo kami sa'yo, palagi ka naming naaalala, palagi ka naming pinagpipray, and always know that we love you and we miss you, and I hope to see you soon. Take care, Lolo. I love you.